As die sterreruim se strooi liggies so stilletjies verdun en die dagbreek son se straalvingers oor die dougras klim, waar kameeldoring en soedoring van wortels tot sy top 'n skadu gooi, waar bospatry sy nesie gou kan skrop. As jy al ooit in hierdie land 'n uur of 2 kon dwaal, wyl somerreën op 'n warm dag die reënboog weer gaan haal, het jy dit als ingeneem, sou jy die waarheid vind. Die Karoo was altyd, is nog steeds, Afrika se hart se punt. There grows concern about environmental and detrimental health effects in the Karoo. The natural environment and its resources could be destroyed beyond repair, which means that ecosystems will become extinct. Property value will drop and roads will be damaged. The search for shale gas will impair equitable land redistribution by polluting and devaluing the land. Shale gas is an unconventional fossil fuel or natural gas trapped between pores of rock particles deep beneath the ground. The shale gas mining process is called high-volume slickwater or horizontal hydraulic fracturing, also known as fracking. Fracking is the gas stimulation method, which breaks the shale rock deep underground using millions of liters of water mixed with sand and chemicals pumped deep into the earth under high pressure. This creates cracks in the rock, releasing an unconventional fossil fuel with a global warming potential of about 70 times that of carbon dioxide over a 20-year period. On average, 20 million liters of water are used to frack each well, creating millions of liters of toxic and often radioactive flowback water to be disposed. Once water is contaminated, it can never be used again for human consumption. Water treatment technologies are currently inadequate to deal with the volumes and nature of the wastewater. If we allow fracking to take its course, your town and your farm in the Karoo and elsewhere in South Africa could be affected by it. Government is in the process of providing permits to 4 companies to explore for shale gas in a very large area stretching right across the Karoo. Together they make up an area as big as the entire Eastern Cape. The Department of Mineral Resources are the culprits who will issue these licenses. It needs to be stopped. So what can happen if gas mining takes place? It threatens to pollute South Africa's scarce water resources and the groundwater supplies in the arid Karoo. It produces severe air pollution and it threatens the health and livelihoods of local residents and animals. It will cause irreversible damage to the environment, biodiversity and broader ecosystem. It will cause vast expense in damage to our road infrastructure. It will not solve South Africa's carbon emission problems but can add to global warming through diesel emission, gas flaring and escaping gases. It will have an impact on astronomy by creating dust, light pollution and electromagnetic interference. It will permanently scar an irreplaceable landscape and cultural heritage. Fracking threatens our constitutional rights.
This project will affect everybody in South Africa, and we need your help. TKAG and AfriForum are opposed to shale gas mining in this country.
AfriForum and TKAG has initiated a major campaign to prevent the South African government from allowing companies to cause severe damage to the Karoo ecosystem as a result of hydraulic fracturing.
You can also make a sustainable contribution to our campaign by visiting karoo.afriforum.co.za.
There are alternatives to secure South Africa's energy needs sustainability, while also creating many long-term sustainable job opportunities. Let's stand together to protect the spirit and soul of the treasured Karoo. The future is in your hands. You must live the difference.